I'm basically a fan of Logitech gaming devices, and I was wondering if they would launch an affordable gaming headphones. I guess they heard me. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Wilfred. If you're new to this channel, a subscribe would be great. Logitech has launched these earphones that is compatible with most of the gaming platforms. PlayStation, PC, mobile, Xbox, Nintendo, you name it. Most gaming headsets are just big and has a boom mic that would offer more quality and more power. But I do prefer in-ear headphones as they feel very good in my ear canal. I always prefer in-ear headphones regardless of movie, music or gaming. But again, that's just me. Okay, now let me unbox this. So these are the 5 items inside the box. They have given the instructions, the important safety complaints and warranty information here and that. Extra ear tips. It is made up of silicone, USB-C adapter, 3.5mm to USB Type-C converter, and earphone carrying pouch. Okay, let's keep these things aside. Okay, now let's talk about the headphones. Logitech G333 has dual dynamic drivers. One is for clarity and another one is for bass. The silicone ear tips is really comfortable. Now let's see how the sound quality is. The clarity is good, but the bass is very poor. Actually, I don't feel any bass. Okay. The clarity is good, but it wouldn't impress music lovers as there is very low production of bass. There is an inline mic and integrated controls. This being a gaming headphones, it is sad to see there is no mute button. The cable length is 1.2 meters. The cable is actually durable and tangle free. As I said earlier, this has 2 dynamic drivers. One is 5.8mm and another one is 9.2mm. Guys, I just finished my online gaming session with my online friends and I was very much impressed with its output. My friends were surprised to hear my voice very clearly this time as my old headphones captures fan and AC noise. Regarding the sound quality, it was easy to pick up nearby footsteps as well as distant gunshots. My experience with combination of G333 and Dota 2 was fantastic. I was really surprised to hear that awesome background music of every fights we take with the enemy team and lifelike hero dialogues. The Logitech G333's gaming headphones works with any gaming device you own. The sound is clear and the microphone is good for its price tag. I hope this video brought you some information regarding G33. Should you need any clarifications about this headphone, please post your queries in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer all of your questions. Thanks for watching.